Okay, it's been a while. It is June, first week of June. I don't know what day it is. And we had a long weekend and have come up. This is probably about the third time we've come up for this season, 2022. And started again. Mostly the first couple of days I worked on carriage doors, garage doors. Here comes Henny. And I think it was because I was procrastinating on starting the fireplace because I was nervous about it. But I finally started it. We ordered 100 fire bricks and mortar. I've been watching videos, read a book, read 2 books, sort of 3 books, and here we go. So this took me about 2.5 days, I would say, and it's not quite. I still need 2 more courses. I ran out of mortar, but it's going to be it's according to Rumford, Count Rumford specs, which are pretty, I don't know, somewhat rigid about the depth and the height and the width of the opening. I'm going to have to modify it a lot because it's being built. It's not in line with an existing chimney, or I'm not building the chimney. Placed where Rumford would have wanted it to maximize the draw and heat output of the fireplace, and I'm really nervous about all kinds of stuff that I don't know because I've never done this before. But we'll just have to see. It's now started, so I can't go back. I'm happy with it. It was hard. I've laid CMU block, I guess, a little bit now, but I've never tried to lay brick, and certainly not with tight joints. I guess you can probably see in this video that it's pretty crude. I didn't do a great job, but it'll be perfectly appropriate for this level of finish in this cabin, and we're all really excited about it. So, all right, that's that. We're so happy that Henny came with us this time, getting ready for college. She's done a lot of yard work and a lot of reading. Do you not want to be on the video?
I don't know.
Do you want to say anything about what you did today?
Well, I haven't done anything today.
Well, you're washing our dishes now. We're trying to. It's Monday, and it's what, 5 o'clock?
Later, I think.
Oh God, you can't tell anymore because it stays light until midnight. I mean, I guess later than that. We tend to go to bed at midnight, but we've been working until 10 or 11 every night easily, and it's extremely bright outside. It's easy to work. You just work until you get really, really tired and have to stop. Okay. Let me go. Sneak up on Hege. We've been really lucky with the weather. It's been beautiful.
Ambush.
Do you want to say anything?
Well, Hannah did a really good job cleaning out this flower bed this weekend.
She did.
And,
She did. This looks really good.
It does, and now we just got a bunch of plants from our neighbors that we're putting down. Hopefully that'll work out well.
This is going to be really nice. These are really beautiful.
Yeah. The bees like them.
And then the other thing that we've gotten done recently, Hege's project, is building this dry stacked retaining wall to kind of shore up this flower bed, which was kind of an ad hoc thing, a berm that just had flowers growing on it and no clear definition. Yeah, a lot of weeds. And now now we're really excited about it, and we're gonna design Hege's gonna design a layout for the plants, and it's gonna be beautiful. I just can't believe how good her stacking abilities were. I don't know why I can't believe it, but I tried to do this a couple years ago, and so I have a lot of respect for how difficult it is. And she just seems to have a knack for it that I did not. And she did it fast. I mean, it's not like it's. I don't think either one of us are the greatest wall builders, but I think this one was quite good. Better than mine. And then I'll just film this because the light is really pretty right now here in the late afternoon. Nothing has happened really on the greenhouse yet. Nothing. We're not planning on making that a priority right now. We'll work on it some more later in the summer. But our focus is on the fireplace now, and the carriage doors. I guess I could walk down here. You could see where we stand on the carriage doors. Like I said, we've been coming up for quite a few weekends now. Ooh, it's dark. Let's see if this thing will adjust. Yeah. Yeah, and because I wasn't ready to start the fireplace and we didn't have the bricks yet, I kind of jumped on this, building these doors, which was fun. They're also, they have the illusion of kind of, what's the word I'm looking for? Like, high-end design or something. This herringbone, sophisticated, whatever. Look to them, but they're actually pretty crudely put together, and they're kind of beat up. We used really cheap wood out of necessity, but that also kind of fits with we'll call it rustic, and it fits with the general aesthetic of the place. So win-win. We stained the casings here, which is also just sort of like I got a bunch of leftover I'm using the sort of dregs of the wood that we have accumulated over several years, and the one really large order that we made to build this greenhouse. So that's what's been satisfying. Waste not. But we're getting to a point where I think we're gonna have to get some more wood at some point soon. Hanging these doors is gonna be a challenge. I'm nervous about several parts of it. But I'm sure we'll just sort of dive in on that. I'll probably within the next couple of weeks. Kind of thought it might happen this time while I was waiting for mortar to dry, but it never did. Things take so much longer than you think. But we did stain this stuff to make it look better, and it does look better. All right. What?